good morning. This is Edward at Bookforge. Hey, we're going to be doing a little bit of surgery on my Kwik Print machine. It's missing some parts, and the foot that holds the letters and everything needs refurbished. So I'm going to have to take this thing apart, and there it is over there in the corner. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this thing apart and send it off to the folks at Kwik Print and get it refurbished. I think we're also gonna get some new attachments for it. So this is the machine. It has obviously seen better days. So it's missing some pieces. There's stuff here that's supposed to be holding the text in. There's supposed to be a handle here. Some other stuff. The electrical is, yeah, definitely seen some better days. So we're going to dismantle this. All right, I think the first thing we need to do is get this thing out of the corner. This stuff. Right. That whole equipment isn't very light, is it? Alright, I think the first thing I'm going to do is try and remove the foot, and I think that little bolt right there is what holds the foot in. So let's see if we can't get that out. Well, not for sure that would loosen it up. Alright, I'm still pretty confident that that bolt we took out is the one that we wanted. There we go. That's hot. There. Foot is off. I'm not 100% sure exactly what they're going to need to fix this. So I'm going to take as much of this off as I can, package up for them. was expecting. The whole switch case is coming apart. Some long screws. That old switch. All right. And light off here. I don't know. I love the old machines, but I kind of wonder what it's going to cost to repair this versus, you know, if I just went out and bought a new machine. Let's see, what's a new one cost? What do you think? So let's see. All right, so I know they don't have prices on the Kwik Print website. So I'm gonna go here, Talus, which I know a lot of people think they're overpriced, and they probably are. All right, so Model 86, Model 55. So Model 55 runs for $13.75. So we'll turn around here and take a look at this. And Model 86 runs for $17.75. I think mine is an 86. Yeah, so that gives you an idea of how much it costs to buy a new one. I'm guessing that the repairs on this are going to be about $500 or $600. We'll find out. So what we've got right now is I took all the electrical components off. So this is what I'll be sending to Jay at Kwik Print, and that's the main thing I need, either repaired or replaced. Then I'm imagining a good deal of this electrical will get replaced. And this thing here I'm going to clean up because it's definitely seen some better days. I mean, you can see there. So while he's fixing the electrical components and the typeset holder, I'm going to clean this poor thing up. We'll see what we look like when we're done. All right, so that's the tear down. I got to get things boxed up. And to package this puppy up. right. Maybe a little bit more than that. There we go. Just put that in the box. Everybody, I'd like you to meet Thor. It's one of the binder cats. Thor and his sister love bubble wrap. Alright, so we've got the thing in there, and I've got a little letter for Jay explaining what we need. And business card. Now let's, can I have that? There we go. Yeah. All right. Be a heavy box. Trust that. All right, so with as heavy as this is, I'm going to put another stripe across the bottom. Just peace of mind. And I don't know what this barcode is. I don't want anyone to get confused. Well, maybe not. We'll do it the redaction way. All right. Ready to go to the post. Suppose I should make a label, huh? All right, so we now have the handy dandy label. Got rid of my knife. I know this part can't be very exciting, but you know, every process starts somewhere, and refurbishment of Kwik Print starts off here with sending this out to Jay. All right, now the question is Jay gonna recommend replacing it, or are we gonna get a refurbished old piece of machinery back? I would love to have this refurbished. I love the older machines. All right, so this box is ready. I'm going to ship it out. The next video will probably have me dismantling and starting to clean the Kwik Print machine. All right, we'll catch you next time.